Hello and welcome to our method tutorial series on creating a basic app. In the previous video, we made the save button work, but it didn't indicate whether the save was successful. Usually, when you save a record, the screen goes back, informing the user it was complete. Let's have our save button do that. I'll go into the bottom save button and open up its click event. In its action list, we can see the save button has one action, save all. We can add as many actions in here as we want, and each action will complete in turn. Let me search for the go to screen action, and I will add it. Then I'll set it up to go back a screen, just like we did with the backlink. Great! Now there are two actions for this save button. The first action is to save all. The second goes back a screen. But wait! Don't close anything. Why? Because I want to show you something useful. I mean, everything I'm showing you is useful, but, well, okay, let's continue. Remember when I said we did this exact action for the backlink? Instead of repeating that action here, why couldn't I just have an action that says, hey, backlink, do your thing? Lo and behold, we do have an action like that, except not in those words. Hover over the go to screen action and we will delete it. And now I will search for an action called call another action set. Add that, and this action tells another control to run its actions. This drop-down will list all the controls with actions. We only have the backlink to choose from, so we'll keep it at that. In the internal node, I will write do back's click event. And now the save button will do its first action, save all. And the second will be call another action set, which will order the back control to do its actions. If you don't remember what the back button is doing, you can select jump to this action set to check it out. And here I am in the action set for the back controls click event. And if you recall, here's the action that goes back a screen. Awesome. Okay, how do I get back to my save button? Now's my chance to show you how to navigate your controls. In the upper left, click this to open the navigation. This menu will list out all your controls on your screen. And now you can see why it's important to name them. The bottom save button is in the sec button section, which is here. And if I select it, it will show us its events. There's only the click event, but it does show it has two actions in it. Select it, and we return to the action set of the saves click event. Now, you may be thinking, why go to all that trouble? It was just one action. True. So I'll show you another example. I'll close this and let's go up here where we have our second save link. Remember we put this in? And if you haven't guessed by now, I'm going to have this top save link called the bottom save button and tell it to do its job. Open up the click event for the top save. Look for and add the call another action set action. In the dropdown, choose the bottom saves click event. Put in an internal note, do bottom saves click event, and great, that's it. Close the action editor. And you know what's cool? If I need to make changes to how we save, I only have to do it in one place. Let's say I wanted an action to check if the car name field was filled in before it saves. It would be tedious if I had to do it in two places. But because we used call another action set up here, we only have to update the bottom save button and that's it. Far more efficient. In our next video, guess what we're going to do? We are going to check to see if the car name field is filled in. See what I did there? That was foreshadowing. Ooh. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.